Hi, I'm Shamla, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinada College of Arts and Science, Chennai. In this video, we are going to discuss few topics in software engineering. Topics covered in this video is first one managerial issues, second one planning a software product, third one planning the development process, fourth one phased lifecycle model, and fifth one milestones, documents and reviews. The first topic is managerial issues. The success of software project involves technical activities and managerial activities. The managers can control the resources and environment. The important managers' responsibilities are software product delivered on time, software working according to customers' wish, and software delivered within cost estimates. Other managerial responsibilities are business plans, recruiting customers, developing marketing strategies, recruiting and training employees. Important problems that the manager faced are planning is poor, selection for project managers are poor, description of project is poor, estimations of resources for software project is poor, success criteria is inappropriate, decision rules are poor, procedures, methods and techniques are not readily available. Methods for solving these problems: educate and train top management project and software developers. Analyze the data from previous software project to find effective methods. Define objectives and quality. Establish success priority criteria. Develop accurate cost and schedule that are accepted by management and customer. Selection of project managers. Specific work assignments to software developers. The second topic is planning a software product. Goals can be formulated using concise statement and constraints. Goal applied to both development process and work product. It can be either qualitative or quantitative. Every development process should provide product on time and within cost estimates. Opportunities for project personnel to learn new skill. Requirements includes functional requirements, performance, requirements for hardware, software and firmware. Definition. The third topic is planning the development process. Software lifecycle activities define, develop, test, deliver, operate and maintain. The lifecycle activities are given above. These activities are changed. No lifecycle model is used. Different models are used for various software products. A lifecycle model that is understood and accepted by all concerned parties improves project communications and project manageability, resource allocation, cost control and product quality. The fourth topic is phased lifecycle model. Series of successive activities requires well-defined input, process and results in well-defined output. Resources is required to complete each phase. Application of explicit methods, tools and techniques. Analysis consists of two subphases, planning and requirements definition. This phase includes understanding the customer problem, performing a feasibility study, developing solution strategy, acceptance criteria, planning the development process. The products of planning are system definition and project plan. System definition. Expressed in English or some other language, it includes charts, figures, graph, tables and equations. Project plan. It contains lifecycle model to be used and organizational structure. Basic development schedule, resource estimate, staffing requirements, tools and techniques to be used. Time and cost are basically calculated because it is not possible to estimate exactly without doing basic design. Into requirements definitions. It includes basic functions of software components in hardware, software and people subsystem. The product of requirements definition. The product of requirement definition is a specification that describes the processing environment, the required software functions, performance constraints on the software, exception handling and acceptance criteria. In the lifecycle model, the next phase is design phase. In the phased model, software design follows analysis. Design phase identified software components or functions, data streams and data stores. It specifies relationship among components. It specifies software structures. Maintains a record of design decision. Blueprint for the implementation phase. Design phase consists of architectural design and detailed design. Architectural design. It involves identifying the software components, dividing them into software modules and conceptual data structures, specifying interconnection among components. Detailed design. It is concerned with the details of how to package the processing modules. Implement the processing algorithm, data structures and interconnection among modules. Phased lifecycle model. The next phase is implementation phase. It involves translation of design specification into source code, debugging, documentation and unit testing of source code. Implementation phase may include errors in routines, functions, logical errors and algorithms, errors in data structure layout. System testing. It involves two kinds of activities: integration testing and acceptance integration testing. Developing a strategy for integrating the software components into a function requires careful planning so that modules are available for integration when needed. Acceptance testing. It involves planning and execution of various types of tests that software system satisfied requirement documents. After getting the acceptance from the customer software system of released for production work and maintenance phase. The last phase in the phased lifecycle model is maintenance phase. It includes the enhancement of capabilities, adaptation of software to new processing environment, and correction of software bugs. The last topic is milestones, documents, and reviews. Another view of the software lifecycle is software importance to the milestones, documents, and reviews. As the software products evolves through the development phase, it is difficult for the manager and team members to determine resources extended to predict schedule delays extra. Establishing milestones, review points, documents, and management sign-offs can improve project visibility. The development process becomes more public activity and tangible. This result is improved product quality, increased programmer productivity, better morale among team members. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.